Hi friends, welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing well today. For today's video, I am going to be doing some more fall decorating. This will be part 3 of my fall decorating series. If you missed parts 1 and 2, I will have those linked down below, but I am just going to focus on my foyer as well as my kitchen and just add little simple touches of fall decor, nothing over elaborate. I do like to keep things more on the simple side. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and make sure you're subscribed because I plan to do a final part to this series and I will give a home tour of all of my fall decor, just piece all of the fall decor in one video, so stay tuned for that. But thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and let's get started. I'm gonna start with my foyer, and I don't plan to change a whole lot. I really like the way it looks right now. I'm simply going to swap out the florals, probably change that vase and add a pumpkin. So just really simple here. You don't have to do a whole lot to make your decor feel more cozy and more fall-like. So that's about it for this space. I'll probably also take out those pillows from the baskets and add a throw. First things first, I'm going to clean the mirror and the table. I have to get it nice and dust free before I begin decorating. But I would love to hear from you guys. What are your plans for fall decorating? Have you already decorated? What is your theme this year? And what are your favorite stores that you tend to buy items from? I know for myself, I'm a huge fan of HomeGoods, Hobby Lobby, Kirkland's, At Home as well. I love that store. There's just everything you need in terms of home decor there. But I just love hearing from you guys. Whenever I'm making these videos, I always feel like it's all about, I'm talking about everything I'm doing, but honestly, I'm so interested to hear more about you. So feel free to leave a comment down below. Decorating is quite the process, and it may look this way today, but I cannot guarantee it's going to look like that tomorrow or even next week. I am always changing things around. I feel like you just don't really know if that's how you want it until you've had time to kind of sit on it for a day and pass by that area multiple times to see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like today, and I do like it. However, I'm thinking it's maybe a little too crowded, so I may eventually take out those blue pedestal candle holders. I don't know, but let me know what you guys think. I'm just loving the blue and the white mix. It's such a pretty, classy color combination. So now I'm just going to add a candle to really bring in that cozy feeling, and this is it's the Bath & Body Works Leaves scent, and I love that scent. It's one of my many favorite fall scented candles. And I did add these beads that I got from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago, and the leaf stems are from Michael's, if I didn't say that, and the pumpkin is from HomeGoods. The little acorn is from Hobby Lobby. And then as far as the baskets, I was torn between these two throws. I wasn't sure if I wanted something more muted like the black and white or go with a little more brighter color. So I tried both of them, and I ended up using the beigey one, and I really like that. But feel free to let me know what you guys think. Which of these throws do you think looks best with the table set up? Now, these actually aren't throws, they're actually large scarves, and one is actually kind of more like a sweater scarf, if that makes sense. But I figured I would go ahead and use them as a throw. You would never know any different. What are you doing? You gonna help me decorate? Are you gonna help? I might have a little addiction to home goods, to say the least. I ended up stopping there not once, but twice this week. And the first time I stopped there, I was just simply going to get a basket for one of my bathrooms. And I was a really good girl. That's all I got. But while I was there, I did see this pumpkin here, and I could not get it out of my mind. So I'm not sure if any of you can relate to this, but when I see something that I can't stop thinking about, I have to go back and get it. So I did end up going back the next day, and I got not only this pumpkin, but also other pumpkins. So I thought this pumpkin was just so different and so pretty. I am definitely using a lot of white pumpkins in my decor this year, as well as little touches of blue. So I thought that was perfect. And then I couldn't resist this leopard print pumpkin. How cute is this? And it's very cushiony, so it kind of reminds me of like a pillow. I plan to more than likely put this in my bedroom because it is so cushiony. I thought that would be fitting for the bedroom. And then I also picked up these adorable ceramic pumpkins, and these are actually candles, and they had them in a pink color as well. I was so tempted to get the pink, but I don't have a lot of pink in my decor, so I just got this really pretty bluish green color and then this white one. And I also got one more thing. Okay, so finally I picked up this enormous candle, and this is just gorgeous. I could not refuse this. I think the jar is so pretty. It really looks like a higher end candle, and this is by the brand 96, which I've actually never heard of before, but it really has a very nice scent to it. It's more of a little bit more of a masculine, kind of like a cologne scent. It's, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, vetiver, sage, and musk scent, but I love the scent. It's really pretty, and even prettier than the jar. I just love this. So I probably will put this, I actually haven't decided. There's so many places I could put this, but I just think it's gorgeous. And one more item, this candle and pedestal that I am in love with. My mom got me this, and it's the flannel scent. This is by Bath and Body Works, and if you've never smelled this scent, you will love it. I highly recommend this for a good fall scent candle. And then this pedestal is just beautiful. I love white and marble. Before I decorate, I'm going to clean the countertops, and I'm using the Method brand granite cleaner. This is in the scent Apple Orchard, which is a very nice, pleasant scent and perfect for fall. But since my cabinets are dark and my floor is dark, I'm definitely trying to brighten up this space. So I'm going to add a lot of white pumpkins, just a lot of lighter colored decor. And I know I've said it in the past, but eventually we do plan to remodel our kitchen. I have plans to paint the cabinets and change the countertops, maybe add some shelves. There's so many ideas I have floating in my head, but you know, we're just not ready to take on that project just yet. It's on our long to-do list. We love doing home projects. It's like a hobby that we really enjoy. But right now I'm just trying to take a step back and just be content with what I have, because we do have a beautiful kitchen as is, and sometimes it's easy to get caught up in always wanting more or always wanting something better, and sometimes you lose sight of the blessings that are right in front of you. So I don't know why I'm going off on this tangent, but I guess I'm just speaking it more so to myself, because this is something that I myself am trying to work on, is just trying to be content. On a separate topic, I want to give a huge shout out to one of my subscribers, Alexandria, and I apologize if I got your name wrong, but she saw me at Home Goods, introduced herself, and I could not have been more honored. She was the absolute sweetest person. She was there with her beautiful daughter, and it honestly meant the world to me. So if any of you see me while I'm out and about, definitely come up and say hello. I would love to meet you. These canisters came in my fall FabFitFun box, and I could not be more in love with them. As soon as I got them, I was so excited. I could picture them in my fall decor. Not that they are only for fall decor. I definitely plan to use them year round. But moving on to the stovetop area, I'm going to leave that Dutch oven on the stovetop. I've actually had it there ever since I got it. That's another item that came in my fall FabFitFun box, and I'm in love with it. It just goes perfectly with the white and blue decor that I'm using. So moving on to this little countertop that is right next to my double ovens. This is the wall of my kitchen that has my refrigerator and oven. And I'm just going to add some apothecary jars. These are perfect for filling with pumpkins, pine cones, candy. So that's what I'm gonna do. In one, I'm going to put some pine cones. Another one, I'll put some pumpkins. And then the third one, I thought I was gonna use more pumpkins to fill that, but I decided to use candy instead. So I did wash that before putting the candy in it, but I am so happy with how it turned out. Next, I'm going to decorate my island, and then I will move on to my table, and that will be the final area that I decorate, so keep on watching. But for my island, I'm going to use a large white marble tray. I got this tray from Home Goods, of course, several years ago, and I love it. It's very large, and I just love using trays in my decor. It's such a great way to group little decor items together in one area. But for this tray, I'm going to add a tea towel. I picked these tea towels up recently from Home Goods. I thought they were very fall appropriate. And I'm going to add a couple festive mugs. These I got again from Home Goods a couple years ago. how cute is this little pumpkin? Now, this I found at the Target dollar spot. It was only $3. I couldn't resist it. As soon as I saw it, I was like, I'm going to use this as a candy dish. Now, it is meant to be painted, but I just decided to leave it the white color that it is. And it does look a little bit darker here because I did wash it prior to putting the candy in it, but once it dries, it is a really nice bright white color. To decorate the table, I'm using a runner that I recently purchased from HomeGoods. I got this for just over $12. I thought this was an absolute steal, and I love the blue, and they're like a bluish gray stripe in the runner, and it's perfect. Goes perfectly with my color scheme. And for the centerpiece, I'm just adding this lantern that I am using as a base, and this I got from Kirkland's several years ago, but I thought this would be perfect, the perfect centerpiece for this table. I added little bunny tails. These are dried florals that I got from Michael's, and then the pampas grass I got also from Michael's, but I got those last year. And I think the combination of these two types of florals just looks perfect for fall. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully you gained some fall decor ideas and inspiration. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. I would greatly appreciate it, and have an absolutely wonderful day. I will see you all in my next one. Take care.